Hi everyone, and welcome to DIY with Ashley. Today I'm showing you how to make a quick and super easy fabric key fob. It's perfect for using fabric scraps and it makes a cute handmade gift. This project is also beginner friendly. So here are the supplies you'll need for this project. For this project, you'll need a scrap of cotton twill or another medium weight fabric that's at least 3 3/4 inches wide by 12 inches long. However, if you decide to use a lightweight fabric such as quilting cotton, you're gonna need to use interfacing. So be sure to check out my blog post, which includes tips on using interfacing for this project. Scissors or a rotary cutter, an acrylic ruler and a self-healing cutting mat, sewing clips or pins, an iron and an ironing board, matching thread and a sewing machine, a lobster clasp with a D-ring. I've also linked all of the supplies that I used in my Amazon storefront, which will be included in the description box below. Now that we have all of our supplies, let's get started. For step number 1, we're going to fold and press our fabric. Lay your fabric strip flat with the wrong side up. Fold the long edges in half with the wrong sides together and press using your iron. After we've created a center crease, we're going to open up our strip and fold the outer long edges toward the center. Then we're going to take our iron and iron down each of those sides. This process is very similar to making bias tape. Finally, fold the whole strip in half again along the center so all the raw edges are tucked inside and press it flat. Once everything is ironed flat, we're going to want to go ahead and slip on our hardware before we start pinning or clipping that open edge. Using our sewing clips or sewing pins, we're going to go ahead and either clip or pin on that open edge to hold everything in place. Make sure you also leave about 1 inch to 1.5 inches on each end of the strip open. Now it's time for us to line up the short ends of the strip. Right sides together and sew a 1/2 inch seam allowance. This joins the ends and forms the basic loop. Using our fingers, we're going to press the seam open, then refold the strip using the creases we previously ironed. This organizes the fabric and gets it ready for top stitching, creating a smooth, seamless loop. It's time for us to sew along both long edges. We're going to sew a top stitch 1/8 of an inch away from the edge. As you sew, make sure you're moving your hardware out of the way so you don't accidentally sew over it. Also be sure you backstitch when you start and stop your top stitch. To finish off our key fob, you want to slide the hardware down to the section where you sewed the ends together. Slightly align that center seam to the back of the key fob and sew a line close to the hardware to secure it and create your wristlet. And that's it, your fabric key fob is finished. Like I said earlier, this project is perfect for using up scraps and it makes a fun gift. And once you make one, you'll probably want to make a few more in different fabrics. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It's a free way to support my channel and help me grow so I can continue to create more tutorials. And to see more projects like this one, make sure you're subscribed and you hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on any future tutorials. And if you'd like to support my channel even more, I also have a coffee store where I share extra goodies for my supporters. The link is in the description box below. Again, thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time, happy sewing!